Hello guys, myself Tarun Kumar. I'm doing freelancing on architectural and interior designings. So from past 6 years, I'm working on this interior designs and execution part. So we will be doing the plans, uh, planning of an individual residential houses and interior designing. Newly one stop solution for the total everything like wall ceiling designs and execution and interiors and fabrication work and etc. So this is the profile I chose from in 2018. So it was with a passion. So today in today's video, this is my first video. Today's video, I would just want to let you know one of the designs have been executed and hand over in the Narsingi site, where the site is of 2000 SFT, where I've got a chance to recreate a designs of a 3 BHK flat where I've created one of this design in the bedroom. So what is the importance, what is the out, standing out point of this design means? So the wardrobe, according to the standards, the wardrobe, it can be a standard, it can be a requirement. Depending on the requirement, there are two types of wardrobes like sliding wardrobes and openable door wardrobes. So here I've taken the chance of doing this a sliding wardrobe where it is having a 8.5 feet of length from the door to the edge of the wall. And so basically according to standards, the size of the plywood or whatever the pine wood we are using for the sliding door is 4 by 8. So I have a chance of only using a two sliding doors, and another 6 inches will be of a storage point. So at this point I have given it, in this 8 feet I have given the one sliding door which is of half part like 4 feet, and the remaining part, remaining 4 feet I have given as a storage with a double door and the two huge drawers which is 3 feet, and another 6 inches I am covering with the storage. If I open this, I can go use it as a cloth hanger or another small storage area. So in this you can see what I've said is two types of wardrobes have been seeing here. You can see the sliding as well as the openable doors. So this is what I found it unique to design, and I got a good response on this. So I mean, in execution part also, the workability as well as the flexibility of moving the sliding is good enough, and there is no storage capacity scarcity and storage. So we have a huge capacity like 18 inches depth, and the height is of 7.5 feet because they have got a huge size of lintel which is of 7.5 feet. So that's the reason we are providing according to the door height. So that's the reason we are getting the wardrobe height is of 7.5 feet. So I've designed this in 8.5 feet by 7 feet. So if you see this part, the handles which are not touching the sliding door, which is not obstruction to the sliding door, there is a gap between the sliding door and the this openable doors which is of 2 inches. So there won't be any obstacle while opening this sliding door. And I have chosen this 1 mm uh, Virgo laminate, which is we can see this design here. And if you want a color code of this, you can please ping me the number, and you can here we can give the lightings also in the upper part, so that the in internally we can create a uh, opportunity to see everything here. So this is one of the designs I've done it in the Narsingi. So if you liked it, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.